What are is there like 2 or 3 trending questions or trending topics or trending discussion points that you've been hearing from being on the floor all day, or like yammering or buzz that you keep hearing people talking about in there that relates to kind of Klearcom and makes you guys kind of excited about what you guys offer and what your solution does?
Yeah. I suppose as we touched on the migrations, from old legacy platforms to the cloud, and people keep asking, how can I manage that? And especially if you're doing this on a global scale.
It's got to be ridiculous.
Yeah. So, stress kicks in, how that is done as well, and how can you do it, without automation, and how the automation will help. And they want to people want to understand how would that help? How that will prove the value, to the company and the business as well, to understand that we need something in place, not after the migration, but also before that.
Definitely.
Basically.
Before you get to a migration, there is so much mapping and planning and validation and verification that takes place to even be able to have a successful migration. I mean, and that continues on too, by the way. As you get through the migration, then you still need implementation support, you need training and utilization support, you need people that feel comfortable with how to understand how to use the new tool in front of them.
I suppose then as well you have the conversational IVRs, as well nowadays everyone moving away from DTMF, where you have to press while you're calling. Right,
so you got sick of people like me jamming on those buttons.
That's it. So but the conversational IVR, now why you are prompted to say why you're calling, but that's where as well things become problematic as well.
Accents, different ways of speaking.
Exactly.
Different tone. Even with this stuff, man, like some people's voices literally show up differently electronically.
Exactly.